Body care skincare routine for my dry, sensitive skin. So I got a request from a subscriber that asked me to make a video about body care skincare routine for dry and sensitive skin, and I'm here to answer because you can remember I made a post on if you want me to talk about any skincare product or any skincare routine for you or anything that has to do with the skin, then you should leave a comment in the comment section. I'm going to be doing the videos in this my vlogmas, and some of you answered and a lot of you did not. So these are the videos I'm going to be making from those replies. Now this is one of them, and this is a body skincare routine for my dry and sensitive skin people. Hi, I'm Chioma. Welcome to my channel, and if it's the first time of coming across this page, you're welcome. And I talk a lot about skincare, so if this is your vibe, if this is your kind of thing, or if you love things like this, do what to like, subscribe to join this wonderful community. And when you subscribe, don't forget to turn on your notification bar on so that notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. And if you're my returning subscriber, thank you for your love. I really appreciate that. It means a lot to me. And thank you for those that used to leave a wonderful and nice comment in my videos. It means a lot to me. Seriously, it gives me that energy to come back here and make more videos for you guys, because it shows me that some people are still interested in learning more about their skin. So it means a lot to me. So now let's dive into this video so I'll not waste much of your time. In this video, I created a perfect body skincare routine for dry and sensitive skin people. Like, before I made this video, I made sure it's the right cleansing, the right exfoliating product, moisturizer, like everything for you guys. So please do want to stick to the end of this video so that you won't miss out on any important part. First of all, if your skin feels dry, dehydrated, flaky, and react to products easily, but also can't seem to keep moisture on its own, this skincare routine I put together will help moisturize, hydrate your skin, and keep your skin plumped and locked with moisture. So this is what this routine is all about. Firstly, we are going to be going for a cleansing product, because that's the gate of skincare. Because if you don't cleanse your skin, how are you going to apply your body lotion? How are you going to apply your moisturizer and whatever you're going to apply on your skin? Now, I've made a face care routine about dry skin. I'm going to be leaving the link in my description box, or I'm going to be adding it at the end of my video, but I have made a video on it. So if you're a dry skin person and you need product for your face, you can go and watch it. And if you're a dry skin person and you need product for your body, then you have to sit down, because this video is for you. But firstly, before I start with the cleansing part, there is something I want to tell you. As a dry skin person and you're still using boiling hot water to bathe, you know those hot waters that can actually disfeather a chicken, those hot waters that you can use to remove the feathers from a chicken. If you know that you use those kind of hot waters to bathe, please stop. It is early. Stop. So it's not as you are buying that expensive skincare product, you are pumping your skin, you are using it on your skin is not going to be accepting it. It will look as if you're not doing much. So use a lukewarm water. I know some of you can't use cold water to bathe, I know, but please try to use lukewarm water. Now I'm done with giving these important tips. So now let's talk about the cleansing product. Now in this cleansing product, I prefer dry skin people going for a shower gel instead of a bar soap. But when it comes to this bar soap, I just pick three. These three are good. They moisturize the skin, they are good for dry skin, they are good for sensitive skin, and the body washes are so nice and they moisturize the skin. But now the first body wash on my list is the Dove Deeply Nourishing Body Wash. This body wash is the like, in fact, all of those products are very nice, especially their shower gels. Their shower gels are nice, like they moisturize the skin very well, that when you use it, you are going to love it. And I love the scent of all their shower gels. Now, this Dove Deeply Nourishing Body Wash is a very nice body wash that will hydrate, moisturize, and nourish your skin. Like, it plumps the skin up. Like when you use it on your skin as you're about to leave your bedroom, the kind of moisturizing effect it leaves on your skin, like your skin will feel hydrated at that moment before you even leave your bedroom. That is how moisturizing this body wash is. The next body wash is the Scent Hive oatmeal and shea butter body wash. Now this body wash is nice on the skin and it's formulated with oatmeal, which you know that it is very nice for dry skin and it is very nice and it has this calming and soothing effect for sensitive skin people, and also it has shea butter which helps to moisturize and hydrate the skin. So if you are a dry skin person, you're looking for a nice body wash to go for, this body wash should be in your list of body wash to go for because it will help to moisturize, hydrate your skin very well. The next body wash on my list is the Aveeno Skin Relief body wash. This body wash is very nice. Like this brand, they did a lot on this body wash. Like it's nice and it's very suitable for dry and sensitive skin. See, sensitive skin, you need to go for this body wash because it calms the skin. It doesn't irritate the skin. Like when you use it on your skin, you feel your skin pampered, feeling nourished, plumped, hydrated. That is how good this shower gel is. It is gentle on the skin, and if you have itchy skin, then you need to go for this shower gel or this body wash. It is very nice and it will give you the results that you want it to give to you. This body wash on my list is the Eucerin Skin Calming body wash. This body wash is a very nice body wash and it comes in this oily form and it is very nice. It calms the skin, it cleans the skin well, calms the skin, it helps to hydrate and nourish the skin. If you're a sensitive skin person and your skin itches you, you need to go for this body wash because it will do the job perfectly well for you. It moisturizes, it hydrates, it plumps the skin, and also it helps to nourish your skin, and it has a lot of moisture that when you use on your skin, even your bathroom, you are going to see your skin feeling soft, feeling hydrated and moisturized. The good thing about this body wash is that you can use it on your face too. That's the good thing I love about this body wash. The next body wash on my list is Bioderma shower gel. This is very nice. It comes in an oily form and it helps to moisturize. In fact, it comes in an oily form that when you mix it with water, it has this creamy effect that you're going to use on your skin and it lathers well. Now this is a very nice and gentle body wash that is going to help moisturize and hydrate your skin, hydrating, and also it has little fragrance in it. So these body washes I listed, they are very nice on the skin and they are good for dry skin people. Now let's talk about the soap that you can use on your skin. When it comes to this soap, I know some of you don't like body wash. There are some people that don't like body wash too. So if you don't like body wash but a dry skin person, sensitive skin person, and you're looking for a bar soap to use on your skin, then the first one on my list is the Dove bar soap. This is very nice on the skin. It helps to moisturize and hydrate the skin. See, if you're a dry skin person, the one of the best brand that I trust with your skin is the Dove. I'm not kidding. Their product is very moisturizing on the skin. So you can try out this Dove bar soap. It will nourish and moisturize and hydrate your skin. The next bar soap on my list is the Cetaphil Cleansing and Moisturizing Body Wash for dry and sensitive skin. They even wrote it on the body. This is not even me. The brand is even saying it. So if you're a dry and sensitive skin person, you can use this bar soap on your skin. It will help nourish, moisturize your skin, and it is gentle and calm on the skin, especially for my sensitive skin people. So these bar soaps I listed, they are very nice on the skin. After the cleansing, let's now dive into the exfoliating aspect, because you need to exfoliate your skin, right? You need to shed off that dead skin cells to renew new skin cells that will give you a brighter and glowing complexion. Now when it comes to exfoliating, we have the physical exfoliation and we have the chemical exfoliation. Now it's not all chemicals that you can use on your skin as a dry and sensitive skin person, and it's not all physical exfoliation that you can use on your skin as a dry and sensitive skin person. See, you need to I hope you're with your pen and paper, because I don't want to, like, after talking and it will be that you guys are not learning anything. And if you are still here at this point of this video, please subscribe. Yes, subscribe. So now down to the exfoliating aspect. If you are a dry and sensitive skin person, you have nothing to do with a salt scrub. Yes, you have nothing to do with a salt scrub, because you need to attract moisture into your skin. You want to lock in that moisture into your skin. So you can go for a body polish or a sugar scrub. Please, the ones I trust with your skin. Please. Now when it comes to this body polish, we have the Dove body polish. Like I told you, when it comes to dry skin, Dove is your best. Like Dove is that brand for you to go for. Now we have the body polish. They are nice, they pamper your skin. Like as you're using it on your skin, it doesn't feel itchy, and when you use it, like it doesn't irritate the skin, and it doesn't strip your skin of its natural oil. Like the little oil is even managing to hold. This polish will not strip off your skin of its oil. It will help moisturize, hydrate, plump your skin as it exfoliates your skin. Now this Dove polish has a lot of ranges. You can go for any one of your choice. They have a lot. You can go for any one of your choice, the one that suits your smell, and the fragrance is nice on the skin, and it doesn't irritate the skin at all. Like they are very nice on the skin. Scrub I'm going for is the Dr. Teal's sugar scrub. Remember I told you sugar, leave salt alone. Please leave salt alone. Sugar, this Dr. Teal's sugar scrub is a very nice, in fact it has a lot of ranges, and it has a lot of ranges. I believe in the picture on the screen. You can go for anyone as long as it is sugar scrub. Now this scrub will help moisturize, hydrate your skin as it exfoliates your skin too. I believe when it comes to this exfoliating, 2 to 3 times a week is fine. In fact 2 times a week is fine. Please, 2 times a week is fine. So it helps to exfoliate and hydrate and moisturize your skin and plump your skin, and the fragrance is nice on the skin. Like you are going to love your bedroom after using their body scrub on your skin. The next body scrub I'm going to be listing is the Eden apricot scrub. Now this scrub, if you notice it and if you get it, it comes in a creamy texture that when you apply it on your skin, it doesn't feel itchy and it moisturizes. Using it and you rinse your skin and touch it, you will feel that moisture on your skin. That is why I added this, and this is quite affordable for those that can't afford the Dove polish because the price is quite pricey. I can't afford the Dr. Teal's, then you can go for this Eden apricot scrub. It helps to moisturize, hydrate, and exfoliate your skin well. I am not kidding, it does that. Now let's leave the scrub aspect, that's the physical exfoliation, because if I remember I told you just go for a sugar scrub or a body scrub. I just gave you a little expo that will help you pick. Now let's dive into the chemical exfoliation. Now in this chemical, we have a lot of chemical exfoliation. We have the glycolic acid, we have the lactic acid, we have the mandelic acid, but as a sensitive and dry skin person, I will advise you to use a lactic acid exfoliating body lotion on your skin. Lactic acid, please, you have nothing to do with glycolic acid. Lactic acid or mandelic acid, these two are the ones I trust your skin with. That is it. Now when it comes to this lactic acid exfoliation, we have the amlactin lactic acid exfoliating body lotion. Now, or you can go for any lactic acid exfoliating body lotion, but make sure lactic acid is the key ingredient of that body lotion you want to buy. Now what is the function of lactic acid? It helps to exfoliate your skin, it helps to shed off dead skin cells, to renew a new cells, and to help to boost the production of collagen, to help tighten your skin, and also it helps to moisturize dry skin people. It helps to moisturize your skin, nourish your skin, plump your skin, and it helps to give you that brighter complexion. So that's why I said you should go for a lactic acid, please. Lactic acid, because it will gently exfoliate your skin, pamper your skin, and help your skin to retain moisture. Please, if you are still at this point of this video, like, comment, please, abeg, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now after the exfoliation, the cleansing of the skin, we are going to talk about your body lotion. Now when you want to go for a body lotion, you need a body lotion that will hydrate, moisturize your skin, plump your skin. But also let me give you a little bonus when you want to pick a body lotion for dry and sensitive skin. When you get a body lotion, look out for that part that's right for dry skin. Just know it's for you. For dry skin, for sensitive skin, just know that this product was formulated for you. So this is what you're going to look out for. In case if all these lotions I mentioned you can't find them, now this is the bonus, like the expo, for you to use to pick that right body lotion for your skin. I hope you understand. Now let's dive into the list of body lotions on my list. The first body lotion on my list is the Nivea Advanced Care body lotion. Now this body lotion hydrates and pampers the skin. As you know, on the body of the body lotion they wrote it for dry skin. That is because they made it for you people. So why you now missing out on that body lotion? It is affordable. I trust me, that body lotion is affordable. It helps to hydrate, moisturize and plump the skin. See that body lotion when you use it on your skin, the kind of moisturizing and hydrating looks it leaves on the skin is very beautiful and wonderful. So you need to go for that body lotion because it helps to hydrate, moisturize and plump the skin and nourish the skin well. The second body lotion on my list is the Dove Sensitive Care Lotion. This lotion is very nice. Like if you're a sensitive skin person, you have itchy skin, then you need to go for this body lotion because it is made for you people. These people just picked up this body lotion and said, no, these are for my sensitive skin people. So go for that body lotion. It helps hydrate, it helps to calm the skin. If you have itchy skin, use that body lotion because it helps to relieve your skin. An affordable body lotion and it helps to moisturize and hydrate the skin. The next body lotion on my list is Simbamed Moisturizing Body Lotion. This lotion is a very nice body lotion that will help moisturize, hydrate your skin, plump your skin, and it is very nice for sensitive skin people. Like this body lotion is here to do the job for you. If you have a dry skin, use it because it will help nourish and plump your skin, it irritate the skin and it glows the skin perfectly well. The next body lotion on my list is the Aveeno Moisturizing Body Lotion. This body lotion is a very nice body lotion. It doesn't irritate the skin, it moisturizes the skin and it comes in a lightweight texture that when you apply on your skin, it penetrates easily into your skin and it is not greasy at all. It is not greasy and it will moisturize and hydrate your skin. And also, see, I have a lot of body lotions, but I'm going to be leaving few for you guys. Now, the next body lotion on my list is the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Body Lotion. This body lotion is a very nice body lotion that will moisturize and hydrate your skin. Like the kind of moisturizing look that this body lotion gives, the kind of moisture it adds on the skin, it is amazingly good. Like this body lotion is a very nice body lotion that will moisturize and hydrate your skin well, plump your skin, and give you that radiant and glowing complexion. Like it hydrates well and it nourishes your skin. And I don't want this video to be too long, if not I will be giving you detailed explanation of each of the body lotion. Now we are done with the body lotion. Let's now talk about body oils. This is optional, but for me I will advise you to add a body oil to your routine. In this body oil, let's say you don't want to waste your money on brands, I will advise you to look out for jojoba oil. Jojoba oil, you go for any jojoba oil of your choice, add it to your routine. It's going to moisturize and hydrate your skin. Trust me. Almond oil, pick it, add it to your routine. It is going to moisturize and hydrate your skin. Or a little tips, get shea butter. Get a shea butter, double boil it. I don't know if you know what is double boiling. Double boil it, melt it to turn it into an oil form and keep it, try as much as you can to keep it in that oily form and be applying it directly on your skin. It will still do the job perfectly well for you. Or you can go for all these Vaseline Cocoa Radiant, but please I prefer you to go for just all these jojoba oil, so almond oil. They are really going to do the job perfectly well for you. So this is it about body skincare routine for dry and sensitive skin people, and I know and I hope you find this video helpful. And if you find this video helpful, please don't be stingy with your like and comment and subscribe. Please, it means a lot to me. So this is it, and I hope you find this video helpful. And if you do, you know what next to do. Hit that subscribe button. Thank you and see you guys in my next video. Bye.